Look at me, I can do cartwheels. Alright, how's it going, everybody? Today we have a path guide for the one and only Gearshift. I remember when showing gameplay of her was banned, like before Trap Team came out, but now we can do as we please. Why am I doing that again?
Outstanding numbers, as expected.
Okay, so Traptanium Gear. Press square to perform a Traptanium Gear attack depending on which mode you're in. Press circle to toggle between hoop mode, dual mode, and fragment mode. All will do different attacks. Press triangle to cartwheel forward, damaging anything in your path. Gear saw. Press circle to switch modes and release a gear saw. Gear grind into it, make it spin again. Okay. Many gears. Press triangle to gear grind and release a bunch of dangerous mini gears. After mini gears are released, press square in hoop mode to knock mini gears into enemies. And now here's the path. I went with the bottom path, but we'll start this. Spare parts. In dual mode, press square to release a gear saw. In dual mode, press square to hit a gear saw and make it spin longer. And geared up, gear saws are longer and occasionally release mini gears. I went the bottom path because it's a lot more reliable. In fragment mode, press square to fire more fragments out. Kick it into high gear. In fragment mode, press square to also release mini gears. Hardware overload in fragment mode, repeatedly press square to lob out a ton of mini gears. And then the soul gem, swing shift. You better watch out how you say that. Traptanium Gear is more powerful and can switch modes much faster. Time to go to Brock now. Look at me, I can do cartwheels. Come on. Bring him to me. Whoa. Alright, so here's her gear saw. There's her gear hula hoop attack thing. And then she can split it pressing circle into dual mode. And then she can split it again into fragment mode. And then all these mini gears fly around when you go back into this. And then here's her hula hoop attack. Come on. And then the gear also flies out when you switch gears. Alright, well that's it for the path guide of Gearshift. Be sure to like this video and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Goodbye.